Hello friends, be ready for a dictation suitable for SSB ASI stenographer. 10 seconds, 5 seconds, start. The country's Defense Minister Sri Rajnath Singh Ji, Chief of Defense Staff General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Army, Navy and Air Defense Secretary, NCC Director General and NCC cadets replete with energy of patriotism who are here from all over the country. It is a very pleasant experience when I get the opportunity to spend whatever moments with you young colleagues. Not just me, but those who watch you on TV feel proud of the march past, the para sailing skills by some cadets, and the cultural display. All of you who have come from different parts of the country also gave a cine performance on the 26th January parade. The whole world has seen your performance. We see that the countries in the world where there is discipline in social life make a mark in all spheres, and NCC can play a very important role in bringing discipline to social life in India. And these ethos should remain with you throughout your life. This spirit of discipline should remain with you even after your stint with NCC. Not only that, if you continue to inspire the people around you, the society of India will be stronger, the country will be strong. Friends, as the world's largest uniformed youth organization, the image that NCC has created is getting stronger day and day. When I see your efforts, I become very happy and my trust in you becomes stronger. NCC cadets can see behind the growth of the Indian tradition of gallantry and service. Again, it is the NCC cadets when there is a campaign to create awareness about the Constitution among the people. NCC cadets are definitely seen where there is some good work going on regarding the environment or any campaign related to water conservation or sanitation. The examples of the amazing work which you do in an organized way in times of crisis are rarely seen anywhere, whether it is floods or other calamities. Last year, NCC cadets helped in the relief and rescue of the stranded countrymen. The way millions of cadets who have worked together with the administration and society across the country during the entire period of Corona is commendable. It is the responsibility of all to fulfill the civic duties that are enshrined in the Constitution and are expected of us. We all are witness that the greatest challenges can also be resolved when civil society and local citizens insist on their duties. As you also know very well, Naxalism, Maoism was a big problem in our country at one point of time. Hundreds of districts of the country were affected. But when the spirit of duty of local citizens and the valor of our society forces came together, the back of Naxalism started breaking. Now, Naxalism confined to a few districts of the country. Not only the Naxal violence in the country has reduced considerably, many youths have given up violence and started joining the path of development. We have also seen the effect of prioritizing our duties as a citizen during the corona period. When the people of the country came together and fulfilled their responsibility, the country was able to combat corona. Friends, the period was challenging, but it also brought a lot of opportunities along with it. There were opportunities to meet challenges, to be victorious, to do anything for the country, to enhance the capacities of the country, to become self reliant, to become the best from ordinary to extraordinary. The role and contribution of India's youth power is most important in achieving all these goals. I also see in you a supporter as well as protector of the nation. Therefore, the government has made special efforts to further expand the role of NCC. NCC's participation is being enhanced to strengthen the security network and the border and sea horse source of the country. On August 15 last year, it was announced that NCC would be given a new responsibility in about 175 districts of coastal and border areas. About 1 lakh NCC cadets are being trained by the Army, Navy, and the Air Force. Of this, one third of our girl cadets are also being trained. All the schools and colleges, whether government or private, central or state government, have been included for the selection of these cadets. The government is also rapidly increasing the training capabilities of NCC. So far, you had just one firing simulator, which is now being increased to 98, almost 100. From 1 to 100, the microlight fight simulator is also being increased from 5 to 44, and the roving simulator from 11 to 60. These modern simulators will help in further improving the quality of NCC training. Stop.